Have you ever stood in a bank line, holding your documents tightly, practicing English sentences in your head and hoping nobody asks you a difficult question? That moment when your turn comes, your heart beats faster, your mouth feels dry, and suddenly all the English you know disappears. Today's conversation is for that exact moment.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Bella Daily English. I hope you're all doing well and feeling positive today.
Hello and welcome. It's always good to spend time together and learn English for real life.
Mason, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous before doing something simple just because you had to speak English?
Oh, yes, many times, especially in places like banks, offices, or hospitals.
Exactly. Places where everything feels serious and official.
And people feel like mistakes are not allowed.
Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common and stressful real-life situations, opening a bank account in English.
This topic is very important because almost everyone needs a bank account.
And many people delay it just because of fear.
Fear of English.
Let me tell you a short story. A few days ago, I went to a bank branch to help a friend.
How was the experience?
The bank was quiet, clean, and formal. People were standing in line, holding forms, looking serious.
That atmosphere alone can make anyone nervous.
I noticed one man in front of us. He kept checking his documents again and again.
That means he was anxious.
Yes. When it was his turn, the bank officer smiled and said something simple.
But the man froze.
Exactly. He understood the words, but fear blocked his voice.
That happens to so many learners.
That moment made me think. People don't need advanced English. They need simple, clear sentences.
And confidence.
So today, we will walk step by step through a bank conversation.
And we'll do it with emotions, pauses, and real feelings.
Let's imagine this scene.
I'm ready.
You walk into a bank for the first time.
The doors open quietly.
The sound of footsteps, papers, and keyboards fills the room.
You look around and see counters and chairs.
You feel small, but you remind yourself that you belong here.
You take a deep breath.
A bank officer looks at you and smiles.
Good morning. How can I help you?
That simple question already feels big. I want to open a bank account.
That sentence alone is enough to start.
Many people panic here, but this is perfect English.
Sure. What type of account would you like to open?
This question sounds difficult, but it's not. I'm not sure. Can you explain, please?
That sentence shows honesty and confidence. Of course, we have a savings account and a current account.
Your mind listens carefully. What is the difference?
That is a very good question. A savings account is for saving money. A current account is for daily use.
You think for a moment. I would like to open a savings account.
Clear and confident.
The officer nods and smiles.
May I see your ID, please?
Your hands shake slightly as you give the documents. Here you go.
Simple, polite, and correct.
The officer checks the papers. Do you have proof of address? This question scares many beginners. Yes, I have it.
Or, if you don't, you can say,
I'm sorry, I don't have it right now.
never guess, always be honest.
The officer types something on the computer.
Please fill out this form.
You look at the form and feel nervous again. Some words look unfamiliar.
This is where many people feel shy.
You take courage. Excuse me, can you help me with this form?
That sentence can change everything. Of course, take your time.
Those words feel like relief. You start writing your name slowly.
You don't rush.
The bank is not a race.
It's okay to take pauses.
After a few minutes, you hand back the form. I've completed it.
Very natural English.
The officer checks the form.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
You sit down and wait.
Waiting feels long, but you stay calm.
While waiting, your thoughts speak loudly. What if I made a mistake?
Everyone feels that.
A few minutes later, the officer returns.
Your account is almost ready.
Almost ready. Those words sound hopeful. Is there anything else you need?
Excellent question. Just one more signature.
You sign carefully. Here you go.
The officer smiles again. Congratulations, your account is now open.
That moment feels powerful. Your shoulders relax.
You did it.
Thank you so much.
Politeness always matters. You're welcome. Here are your account details.
You receive papers and instructions. Can you explain how to use the account?
Asking questions is a sign of confidence. Of course, you can use online banking and an ATM card.
What about fees?
Many people forget to ask this.
Are there any monthly charges?
Perfect English. No, this account is free.
You smile again. That's great.
Small sentences, big confidence.
Before leaving, you ask one last thing. If I have a problem, who should I contact?
Very practical. You can call customer support or visit the branch.
Thank you for your help.
You stand up, feeling taller than before.
You walk out of the bank.
The same doors open again.
But this time, you are different.
More confident,
More calm.
more proud.
This is what real-life English does.
It gives you power in daily situations.
Opening a bank account is not about perfect grammar.
It's about communication
It's about courage.
and simple sentences.
If you ever feel nervous in a bank, remember this lesson.
Speak slowly.
Ask for help.
Take your time.
You are allowed to learn.
You are allowed to pause.
You are allowed to be nervous.
Confidence grows with practice.
New Year is the perfect time to face fears.
And real-life English helps you do that.
Thank you for listening to Bella Daily English today.
If this conversation helped you, please support the channel.
Share this lesson with someone who needs it.
We will bring you more real-life English stories.
Until next time, believe in yourself.
Your English is stronger than you think.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon.